Hey guests, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I am super excited to be participating in an open collab called the Fall Bar Cart Open Collab 2021, hosted by Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle, along with her co-host Phyllis from JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. I will link their channel information as well as the playlist link down in my description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. So today, Marilyn wanted us to style a bar cart, or we could do a countertop or a tabletop in fall decor, and then create a drink for the season. So we're going to start off with my drink offering. It's super easy. And I have hubby helping out today. So we are making mimosas. And there's only 2 ingredients. And that's orange juice and champagne. Or you can use a sparkling wine. And we are using Prosecco. And then we're using orange slices to garnish. So there you go. Guess easy peasy orange squeezy. Okay, yeah, I know I should have left it out. Anyway, so now let's get into the video. So guess I don't have a bar cart, and I actually don't have a place to put one. So I'm styling my countertop, starting with that beautiful wood and metal shelf. And I added some beautiful stem wine glasses to the top shelf. And on the bottom, I added some stemless wine glasses. Then I placed my monogram wood sign and that adorable matching pumpkin. And then I added that gorgeous crackle glass pumpkin that you've seen before, but I love it, so I'm using it again in this video. But here's what I ended up with, and I really do love it. I took the clear wine glasses away, and then I added those beautiful teal stemmed wine glasses along with that super cute teal and orange pumpkin on the bottom shelf. And then I added the Sarah Patio Red and White wines from the Chrysalis Winery from Middleburg, Virginia, which I used the red in another video. I'll link that one down in my description box. And then in the left hand corner, I added my food and wine books. I added 2 of those, and that beautiful orange and gold pumpkin along with the gold stand that's holding another one of those gorgeous crackle glass pumpkins. So let you continue to watch the video to music. you enjoyed this short video on styling my countertop. And I just want to thank Marilyn from Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle and Phyllis from JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs for allowing me to participate in this open collab. Please go over to watch their channels and watch the playlist too, because these creators have created some really beautiful things to show you today. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.